Yeah, look at the view. I was climbing all over the mountain to reach this view to do some Qi Gong practice with you now. So let me rest a bit after a very long climbing process. So let's stay in a standing Qi Gong position and stabilize our breath. I feel so good being around here on this island in Turkey, which is called Burgadada, full of nature. So now let's do some circles. Twist with our body, slowly and gently. The knees are soft. Now let's make the movement even bigger. The twist is bigger. And we can also punch ourselves slowly with arms. Qigong is a practice which is liquid, like a fluid. It's not a difficult practice, but it gives you some stability and serenity, I would say. One more time. Let's come back to standing. Now, with the inhale and soft knees, I open my arms up, stand on my heels, and go back. Stand again. Come back again to the top and down. Floating up and down. Floating up and down. Trying to keep the balance. One time up. And let's go down. And keep the hands behind your back like you are holding a ball. Like this from this side. I will continue standing. Stand on your heels. Hold a ball of energy. Now stand normally on your heels. Bend your knees. Open up. Bend your heels again. Open up. Reach up. Exhale, open up. Reach up. And come back to center. Now let's push the mountains to the sides and bend our knee. Two more times. Come back to center. And let's separate the heaven and earth. One hand goes up, one hand goes down. Your hands slowly go, one up and down. The movements are very gentle and fluid. Again. Two more times. And stay here, take the second arm up and push the ball to the heaven. Stay here for some time. Hold, reach forward. And fully go down. One again, rise up. And come back to standing. Now let's put our arms on our lower belly area. And start rotating it. To the one side, to another side. and stay here. Just breathe into this area. Now take your arms to your upper belly center. Breathe into your heart. Put your arms to your head, to your eyes. And now hold your arms above your head, like you are holding a bow here. Concentrate on this spot. You can put your hand into triangle and continue breathing there. Continue. Now bend your knees, open, and wash your body with energy. Try to wash every part of your body like this. One more time, rise up and wash yourself. Bend your knees, wash your feet, your ankle, your calves. One more time. Inhale and fully drop. One more time, soft knees. Inhale. One more time, inhale. Come back to center. It's so good to breathe this air around in this location. So now it's time to do some self-massage. So take your arms, your hands, and start beating your head a bit with your fingers. There was a butterfly. Now touch the back part of your neck, the upper part of your back. Come to your face, your cheeks, your chin, your forehead. Now start doing upper part of your chest. You can do with 2 hands, 2 arms. Another part. Come back to your belly center, to the one side, to another side. In the belly and your chest, the movements should be very gentle and we don't touch this part, especially if you are a woman. Bend your knees a bit and with your palms you can beat the lower part of the back. Gentle moves. Now open your arm and from the shoulder start clapping. Your palm, turn. Another arm. This self-massage helps the blood circulation, increases blood circulation, and it generally makes me feel more energetic, make you feel good. Now let's go to the legs. Put one leg forward. Here you can apply harder moves. Some people even say you need to make it until it's red, but I don't do like this. If you're on a barefoot, or if you can remove your feet, your shoes, you can also clap your feet. So one leg we have. Qi Gong is actually good when you do it also barefoot, but here the ground is very hot. Summer, around 30 degrees today. So let's stand again in a standing Qi Gong pose. Stabilize our breath. Connect our hands. So thank you so much for joining this practice in this amazing location, and hope to see you next time.